the example, I'm going to show you how to solve the rational inequality. This is a rational. Remember, rational meaning I have a polynomial over a polynomial. This is inequality. So we want to solve for x such that we make this inequality greater than 2. Our first step is to get a 0 on the one side of the inequality. So to do that, I'll be minus 2 both sides here. So I have minus 2 over here. I have a 0. So I have a 0 on one side of the equality. And they consider we need to write the other side as a single rational inequality. This is the other side. This is I have two terms. I have this term minus this term. So I need to combine these two as a single term. And to combine this term, looking for the now word, just subtract the 2. 2 is something as 2 over 1. So our LCD here is equal to x plus 2. So now I time x plus 2 here. X plus 2 here is my LCD. So let me copy it over again. Greater equal to 0. Now we can subtract them because they have a common denominator. So we keep our common denominator, just x plus 2. And then take this term minus this, take this numerator minus this whole numerator. So we have x minus 4, then minus the whole thing here. So you can see I need to distribute the minus 2 inside here. So let me go over here. X minus 4 minus 2x minus 4 over x plus 2 greater or equal to 0. Now we combine line term. X minus 2x is minus x. Minus 4 is minus 8 over x plus 2. So this is the rational inequality with one term. So we combine them, we got this. Then our next step is factor out the numerator and the denominator if possible. Here's our numerator, here's our denominator. Well, we see that we don't have to factor everything out here. So step 2 is done. Step 3, we want to find out where is our numerator is 0. And to do that, we take our numerator equal to 0 and we solve for x, plus 8 here. We have minus x equal to 8. So x equal to minus 8 because I multiply both sides by minus 1. So x equal to minus 8. So that means when x equal to minus 8, our numerator here, let me write down here, is 0. For the denominator, we set x plus 2 equal to 0 to solve for x. Minus 2, both sides, x equal to minus 2. That means when x equal to minus 2, our denominator here equal to 0. Step 4, we plot the points from step 2. So somewhere around here is minus 8, somewhere around here is minus 2, to do approximately. Now, these two values divide our real number line for x equal to 2 areas. Now, once again, we know that when x equal to minus 8 and or minus 2, that we make our inequality equal to 0. Actually, matter of fact, when x equal to minus 2, I have undefined. So we want to know what are the value of x that we make the inequality greater or equal to 0. We want it to be greater. We know that when x equal to minus 8, we have 0. So we want to know all the x value that we make this greater or equal to 0. So now we're going to go outside here. This is where our inequality will change. So over here we pick minus 9. I'm going to test to see what happened. So when we test it, the best way to use this guy here, the way you simplify, you don't have to go back here and do this, you don't have to. The best way to use this guy here. So you have minus 9 minus 8 over minus 9 plus 2. Okay, because we know x is minus 9, so here's I have minus and then minus 9. And then you have 9 minus 8 over minus 7. Okay, you have a positive over a negative because 9 minus 8 is a positive number over a negative number is a negative number. We don't care what exactly the value is. Now, a negative number can never greater than equal to 0, so it's no. That means our answer, our solution cannot be here, be in this interval. Now, let's check to see if our solution belongs inside this interval here between minus 8 through minus 2 or not. Let me pick minus 4. Because minus 4 is somewhere around here. So I have minus 4 minus 8 over minus 4 plus 2. So I have positive 4 minus 8 so I have a positive 4 minus 8 over minus 2. Because minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Minus 4 minus 8 is a minus number over a minus number, therefore it's a positive number. Now a positive number always greater than 0. So yes, our solution belongs from minus 8 to minus 2. So our last error is we will test over here. So we will test 0. Why not? Because 0 is inside this interval from minus 2 to infinity. So minus 0 minus 8 over 0 plus 2. Well, minus 0 minus 8 is minus 8 over 2. You have minus number over a positive number is a minus number. A negative number can never be greater than 0, so it's no. This means our solution is not inside this interval. So now our answer is right here. So answer is from minus 8 through minus 2. Because our problems can be equal to 0, so I have brackets at minus 8. At 2, really tricky. Remember, when x equals to minus 2, that is we make our denominator equal to 0. But when our denominator equal to 0, that means this inequality here becomes undefined. So now we cannot include minus 2. So I have the parentheses at minus 2. So that is our answer.